Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. And today I have the Oppo Reno11 5G, and guys, and this is a bigger brother of the Oppo Reno11F 5G, and this phone is costing around 1,30,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So on the back we have a 12 GB of RAM. It says 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the wave green color, and this phone also available in the black color, and this phone also is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC. So without any wasting time, first let me remove the plastic like this, and here is the box of the Oppo Reno11 5G. Again we have a grayish box. So on the top we have lid, and inside this lid we have a simulation tool, and also we have a quick start guide as well as a safety guide, and lastly we have a silicone case which comes in the green color, which is a really good thing. We don't have a transparent one. And here is our Reno11 5G in the box again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Oppo Reno11 5G. On the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. On the back we have a 50 megapixel Sony cameras with OIS. We also have 67 watts super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. We also have ColorOS version 14, which is based on Android 14. As you can see here is the green color looks like of the Oppo Reno11 5G. On the back we have a glossy finish, although the back it is made up of glass and the frame it is made up of plastic actually. Again we have a curved back which feels premium in the hand. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have screen protector on the front, which is already installed. Oppo logo it is here. Let's see what else we get. So here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 67 watt super fast charger. Nice to see that. And here is our normal cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, and also we don't get any handfree in the box, although we get a charger in the box, which is a really rare thing these days. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone as well as SIM tray. And now to get the SIM tray on this phone, we should see hybrid SIM slot. We have a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one microSD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber gasket, and on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have air blaster as well as another speaker with a noise cancellation microphone, and this phone also has a stereo speakers. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker. Again on the back we have a triple cameras actually. This one has a 50 megapixel OIS main camera, then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have a 32 megapixel which is a telephoto lens actually, which gave you a 2x optical zoom, and the camera layout looks really beautiful I would say. And I am really liking the design language on the Oppo Reno11 5G. And now let's talk about the display. And this one has a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate. On the front we also have a center punch hole, and this one has a curved AMOLED display. Overall you can see in the bottom chin feels really small on this phone. The display is really gorgeous. And now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno11 5G. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, again this one has a AMOLED display. Now let's see the max brightness. So the display looks actually really bright I would say. And we also have NFC. Let's go to the settings, about phone, and this one is running on Android 14 with the ColorOS version 14. And also this one is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC, which is based on 6 nanometer architecture. We are getting the same SoC that we find on the little brother Reno11 5G. And now let's see the internal storage. We have 256 GB of internal storage out of 22.2 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This one has an in-display fingerprint scanner. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works really fast, no issue whatsoever. And also get the camera, and this one has a triple cameras on the back. We also have a telephoto lens. So here is the main camera looks like. Here is your ultra wide, and here is your telephoto lens, and maximum we have a 20x zoom. So here's the video mode. Let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have ultra steady mode with the back camera, which give you a better video stabilization. We also have a bokeh mode which give you a background blur in the video. And here is the Pro mode, and here's the portrait mode. In the mode section, here's the night mode, which is also available with all the lenses. We also have dual view video mode, which uses the front camera as well as the back camera at the same time. And we also have slow motion. So all those things it is available on this phone. Maximum we have a 960 fps. And also get the front facing camera. This one has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So the selfie camera looks really bad, I would say, really grainy. Here's the video mode, and the front camera also shoots 4K at 30 fps, although we don't have it 1080p 60 fps. Ultra steady mode also available. Even the bokeh mode and night mode is also available, and slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a massive 5000 mAh battery size with a 67 watt super fast charging, and combined with the Dimensity 7050 SoC, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And overall, I have to say regarding the Oppo Reno11 5G, and this phone has a really decent cameras, although the front facing camera it is really weak on this phone. Another that, and the hardware, which is the Dimensity 7050, it is not the fastest SoC in this price range. We should have a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 like we have on the Vivo V30. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno11 5G. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.